Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing this mini humidifier that I just got it got delivered like 5 minutes ago, so yeah, let's open the box. It's really weird having to do it with one hand. Alright. I actually chose the color navy. This is what it looks like straight out of the box. That's the charging port there, and I'm just checking to see if it's not damaged. No, we're good. Alright, inside the box, you also have the instructions. The cable to plug it in. And you get a secondary filter. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time. How long does your one run for?
Couple hours.
Mine runs for 4 hours. And 6 hours doing the intermediate mode off 3 seconds. No, turn that off. Hang on.